Okay, so hi and welcome again to the third lesson of our web programming course. So let's start. So after the last lesson, I just wanted to make sure that you understand the concept of tags. So I'll just explain it again so it will be clear for you. Okay, so most of the tags has an opening tag and a closing tag. This is the opening tag, a chevron, the tag name, and another chevron to the other direction. And then there's a closing tag that has a chevron, a forward slash, which means that it is a closing tag, and then the tag name, and then another chevron. So if we're talking about the p tag, then it will be chevron p like this, p and closing tag. And between those tags will be the content, which means if we're talking about a p tag, then the content between those tags will be a paragraph. And if we're talking about this tag h1, then the content between those tags, the h1, will be a heading. That's all. That's the whole concept of tags. So let's continue. Also, in the previous lesson I told you that I'll explain later about the weird things in the document. So now I'm going to tell you about it. So let's take a look. Here in the first line you can see doctype HTML, which means that this is a document that is written in HTML5. Okay? Then there's the HTML tag here. This is a root element of an HTML page. There's a opening tag of HTML and a closing tag. Then there are two main parts of the document, the head tag and the body tag. The head tag just contains meta information about the document. Here you can see head, and here's the meta information about it, such as the title. Then there's the body tag, which contains the visible part of the document. What I mean by that? Everything that you see right here is the visible part of the document. So if we want to show something on the page or to write something or everything, we need to put it in the body part so we can see it. So that was the lesson for today. I hope you enjoy and see you in the next lesson.